What's up, guys? This is Ronnie. Welcome back to our channel, Total Technology. Today's topic will be PDF data extraction or PDF data extractor, or how to extract data from PDF, whatever you can say. So let me just quickly write it like PDF data extractor, or how to extract PDF data or PDF pages, whatever. Those are actually watching this video for the first time. For them, just one quick reference. Like if you go to our channel with Total Technology, search overhand, and if you go to the videos, like we have already created two tutorial on how to extract images from PDF and how to extract pages or text data from PDF. So in this video we have discussed about like how you can extract text data from PDF file, and in this video we have discussed how to extract images from PDF file. And this video is going to be some sort of like advanced topic, like how to extract data from PDF and like put it back into Excel in PNG, or kind of uh, PDF to Excel, PDF to Excel convert or converter or whatever. Like, so this is going to be today's topic. And well, something not sure. Okay, fine. Or probably I can write here. Okay, done. Then just, well, so as discussed, like last time also you have seen like the libraries, like which is like PyMU, like let me quickly open this library. Then like PyMU PDF documentation, like PyMU PDF is the library which you are going to use for some sort of like PDF processing. So we have already discussed this in our last video. Those are actually like new to this channel or new to or first time watching this video. For them, it's highly recommend. It is highly recommend that you guys should watch this tutorial, like how to extract images from PDF or PDF extract PDF pages. Like this is one text extraction and this is image extraction. I'm saying this again and again just because so that you guys can have some sort of reference. So in this video I'm going to talk about something advanced topic, like how to extract data. But again, after extraction we need to convert this, or you can convert as kind of like PNG, and you have to write it back in the Excel. So it is the overall, you can say this as pdf to pdf to Excel converter, or PDF to Excel, or how to convert PDF from, how to convert Excel from PDF, anything like you can say. So this is going to be like if you create some sort of exe after that, it is going to be like work as it is, like no problem. So let me just import the library, import fits, like, well. And for doing some sort of like Excel processing, we all know like we should use like OpenPy Excel. This is the library for Excel processing. Okay, good. Then let me create the file object. So for that we all know like fits dot open, and we'll be going to like, we have already this PDF file, so this is going to be like PDF dot PDF, right? So now next thing is that we can create the page or a number of pages from this number of page. Okay, this is going to be like length of this file object, and if you print this, it is going to print 5. So there are total number 5 number of pages are available. So let's say we want to convert the first page in the form of PNG, and after that we want to write it back to an Excel. Okay, so for doing this, let's say first page is FP is going to be like file dot load page. I want to load the first page, that is 0. Okay, Okay, then let me create some sort of image from that. Let's say peak of first page, or peak of first page of first page. I'm just giving some weird kind of variable name, but don't worry guys. So this is going to be fp dot think think get pixmap, I think. Yes, and I think now if I just pick ofp dot write png with some sort of like output dot png, so it will be create one png file. So it is created. Let's check over here. So this is created. So if you can check it from here, from outside, this is created. So see, our first page is converted as a kind of png, and if you open this file, if you want to open this file, let's say you want to open this one. So this is our first page. If you see, both are same actually. This is our first page and this is the thing. Okay, okay, it looks nice. It looks nice actually. Okay, now the next thing is that we have seen how to convert. Okay, so if I highlight this thing, like here we are actually loading the first page, you are converting the page into image, and here you are actually converting that image into some sort of file, or you are saving it in .png format. So now we want to write this output.png into Excel. So for doing that, let's create one like Excel file. So Excel file, let's say giving it a name like ef equals to like open file Excel, I think workbook, and worksheet is going to be not sure, like I think this is going to be like ef dot worksheets, and this is going to be the first worksheet, so 0, and then I'm just giving one name of the peak is peak equals to like open by Excel dot drawing dot image. Again, there will be capital image, and this is going to be like output.png. Okay, and then pick dot anchor, like we want to put it in the A1 column. Okay, in the Excel. It's done, and let me just give one name of this sheet. Let me just keep that this is our sheet. So ws dot title is going to be, let's say, page 0 or page 1, and ws dot add image, I think this is going to be like pick. Done, and now we can save this file like ef dot save, let's say output dot xlsx. It's what is happening, str object has no reference to this id. Well, not sure what is the error here. Why this is throwing the error? This is kind of strange. I'm just thinking, well, this is strange. Output. Well, everything looks fine. str object has no attribute underscore id. This looks some sort of like well, mm, is here pic dot anchor is this, ws dot title this. Okay, just thinking. ef dot sep dump thing. Let me run this thing again. If I run this thing, well, let me check this thing again. Put dot xls str object has attribute error. Okay, I think we did a mistake here. It should not be like pic. This is actually, I kept it as a string actually here. So that is why it is creating the keep error. Sorry guys, there was a typo. So this, and if you like this thing, because the pic is our case here. So if I did this, if you do this again, not sure now what is the problem. Well, I think I should start this from the beginning actually. So let me just restart the kernel. Not sure, like there was some error. This, then let's run this thing. Run this thing. Everything is fine till now. Okay. Okay. And let me delete this output png file first. Move to trash and let me delete this file as well. Okay. Now let me run this thing. 7. So file has been created. Fine. Okay. So let me run this thing. Then let me run this thing. Let me run this line. No error. Let me run this thing. Let me run this thing. No error. Well, I think, well, now it is executed. Now the file has been generated, output.xlsx. So there was some error in the kernel side. Okay, so it has been created with page 1. If you have given the name page 1, if you see, so it's fine. So it is working. So now our job is to create multiple sheets based multiple sheet based on the like pdf. So let's say pdf file is having 5 pages, so we'll be creating 5 different sheet, and each sheet will be having the like corresponding like pdf page as a png. So what I'll do, we'll delete this thing and I will delete this thing as well. And what I'll do, I will just remove this thing as well. And okay, so I think let me check whether my recording is still going on or not. Yes, my recording is going on. Okay, so what I'll do now, I will create the second part of the tutorial to do some sort of for looping to load the complete pdf. So to do that, what I'll do, I will create separate object here, like let's say looping for the complete PDF. Okay, so let me create a new element like complete Excel. So complete underscore PDF underscore or complete Excel file. Just give it a big name. This is going to be like OpenPy Excel dot workbook. Okay, now we'll be doing like for I in range, and this is going to be this one, number of page. Okay, this, and let's say a p is going to be I. Okay, and our peak is going to be like ap dot thing. This is fine. Okay, and we'll change the output file name. So this is going to be like this plus star, then let's say str I, and let's say plus, then double quotes png. And what I'll do, I will now, we have this thing over here like complete file is here. So what we have to do, we have to just create some sort of like active like worksheet like ws, or uh, let's say uh, worksheet, let's say new sheet ns equals to like ef dot active, and ns equals to ef dot create sheet. I think this is going to create a new sheet, and after that I'm just giving a name to this sheet like let's say this is going to be a sheet or page steer I. Okay, and ns dot add underscore image, like this is going to be mm, this one. Okay, well, right, I think we have loaded the file and we have creating this thing, but before that we need to actually uh, create some sort of anchor actually. mm, no, I think we should not do it directly. We have to create some sort of image, let's say image page underscore image is going to be like openpy excel dot drawing dot image, and there you have to give this thing, and after that page underscore image dot anchor is going to be always a1. We want to put it like the same thing whatever we did, and after that can like give page image, and I think this is enough, I think. And we want to remove this file. Like for that, let's say let me just import this library, import.os or os module, and os dot remove. and we will like to just file will be deleted. Okay, so what is happening over here, whatever we did, it's we are doing some same thing. So it will iterate through the number of pages, and every time it is loading the corresponding page, and after that we are creating this file. And we created this active, means that this is our, what do you say, this is our main sheet, and we are actually creating some sort of like active pages, one by one. Every time it will go to the active pages and create another entry. So if the loop iterates through 5 times, it will create 5 corresponding sheet. Okay, so I think this is okay until and unless I did some sort of typo or common mistake, it's fine. But guys, I'm extremely sorry for that, but it is normal life. I am allowed to do some mistake, but sorry for that, guys. So, I think if I run this thing, oh, it actually completed. So let me check from here. So, okay, the funniest thing is that we forgot to save our file actually. So I think I have to uh, create some sort of thing. So I think I should run this thing again, and after that I have to just give like well, here dot save, and let's say final output xlsx. Okay, I think I should do it. Okay, it's done. Let me check whether it is created. Final output xls few seconds ago, and for some the kb is very small. I'm not sure why. Well, there is no other page, only one page. I'm not sure what happened actually here. Strange. Okay, let me check whether it is iterating through. So this is 5. Ideally, this should not be the case. Okay. Okay. The thing is that I did again some mistake. Yes. Okay. So see, we did some sort of like forgot to active this file. This is actually our file, and we are creating sheet on top of that. So that is why it is not added other sheet over here. So I think now this is fine, but actually what I have to do, I have to again run this thing. So now I'm getting some sort of error. No such file or directory, output 0.png. But why? Okay, okay. So the thing is that it is added here, but after that output 0. Okay, well, I understood now. Okay, we should not remove this file here, so that is why it is throwing the error. When it is tries to save, it is throwing the error. So okay, now this is fine. Now this is creating this thing, and the size is also looks okay, 658 KB. So let me check final output. Well, this is sheet 0, this is page 0, page 1, page 2, page 3, page 4. Okay, page 0, page 1, page 2, page 3, page 4. But there was one additional kind of thing. I'm not sure why this came actually. We need to check. I'm not sure actually why this is actually coming now. But anyways, what I'll do, I will just mm, active, this thing. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll just change the name. Let's say one, one, and let me just remove this thing. Okay, now let me run this thing again. Well, I think I did a mistake again. I have to change this thing again. Let me. So it was coming, but there was some additional thing. One extra thing was there. So if I run this thing, it's fine. Now let me check. This extra element is coming with sheet. I'm not sure why this is coming. Not sure actually. So let me restart the kernel again. Maybe somewhere somehow it is actually pointing. So let me delete this thing. Okay, now let me run from here. This. Okay, now if I run this thing. Okay, no file is there. So I think if I run this thing now, it's doing. Now let's check. Okay, file has been generated now. Let me open this thing. So somehow we are getting one extra file here. I'm not sure from where actually this is coming, but just thinking from where actually this is coming. But we can somehow delete this thing. We have some mechanism of for doing this thing. Let's check that. Uh, let's think sheet's name this. Okay, then let's take it in a variable x equals to this, and so the 0th element is the by default the first one. So if I just dot remove, and if I just give it's 0, name x is not defined. Okay, sheet is x0. It's saying sheet is not in the list. Strange. Or remove sheet, and I think again the error. Okay, that method is deprecated, so we can use remove the worksheet or del remove sheet name. So what I'll do, okay, now this is done. Now if I save this file, dot save, now let me check this thing again. Okay, page 0, page 1, page 2, page 4. So let me just quickly make this a bit more realistic. So after this for loop, x, and then this is going to be this, and then if you do so, if I quickly create this thing like file equals to fits dot open dot pdf and let's say nop equals to length of file. I think this is only the case, so we can restart the kernel. Okay, now if I just run this thing, and after that if I just run this thing, let me remove this file first. What is the file? uh, Move to trash and let me run this thing. Well, this is completed, execution completed. So file came, well, 0 page, first page, second page, third page, 0 first, second, third, fourth, means total 5 pages. So let me just check this thing, double check. Yes, it looks okay. So let me just check again. Yes, it comes as well with the watermark. So everything looks nice. So now you can modify some other thing. You don't want this pngs, you want to delete those, so we can have something like for that as well, like let's say mm, like import something called glob. So cwd is os get current working directory. Okay, so files equals to glob dot glob like cwd, like in plus in current working directory we need to find something like so I'm just thinking it is like here, and this is going to be like kind of this, uh, then some sort of star dot png, right? Yes, so if we just print this thing, nothing actually came, strange. Okay, I think in Mac this is going to be like this. Okay, all PNG files. Just because I'm in my MacBook, so in Linux this sort of like slash, in Windows that is the different. So now for file in files os dot remove like kind of file. So now if you check, all PNGs are deleted. So this small block of code you can use here, this and this. So now if I just restart the kernel again, just import fitz, and if I just restart the kernel here, no, I don't want, I want to just restart. Let me first delete this thing, and now I have restarted the kernel. So if I run this thing, this is 1 and this is going to be 2. So something happened. OpenPy Excel is not defined. Okay, I have to import OpenPy Excel. Done. And if I do it for like this and it's created, there is no PNG. If you open this thing, page 0, page 1, page 2, page 3, page 4. So cool, guys. So it is like full-fledged like working code, like as you see, like I did slowly. So initially we are facing some sort of difficulties and errors, but it is normal thing always. When is a programmer, then the debugging or error fixing is definitely is required, or you are doing some sort of programming. So guys, that's all. I think I should open this window for some time. If someone is watching or following from this code directly, for them it will be easier. So guys, the one there is someone named Arpita. She actually requested for this video. So hey, for you, I just created this video as I promised that I'll be doing it on Wednesday. So if you're watching this video and I want you to give some sort of positive feedback or comment, and also share this video with your friend, because I also thought that this could be a unique thing which you requested. I'm not sure whether you are going to watch this video or not, but this is only for you. I just created this immediately, because generally I don't do these things on ad hoc request. But when I thought that actually I was doing something on PDF processing or PDF data extraction, or how to extract data from PDF, or how to extract image from PDF, that time you requested this thing. So I thought this is definitely something we can do. This is kind of advanced and this is very much helpful. In some of my project also we got this sort of requirement. So kind of actually once I tried to help you, actually this is indirectly helping me as well. So guys, if you have some sort of similar request, you can always come back to me. I was always there to help you if I can manage it. So please do one comment, or at least some sort of like feedback, like whether you want this thing or you want something differently. So guys, that's all for today. Hope to see you in the next video. Please subscribe to our channel, like our videos, and if you have some suggestion, comment, feedback, do let us know via some sort of like direct communication, indirect communication, whatever you think is feasible for you, and also share our videos with your friends and family. Okay guys, that's all. Have a nice evening. Hope to see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye and good night, whatever. And try to do some sort of practice, or else you will definitely forget. Bye bye. Cheers.